Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn what is demographic based targeting in Meta Ads Manager. Whenever you create a new campaign in Meta Ads, then at the ad set level there is an option of suggesting an audience where you can do detailed targeting, and when we click on the browse button, then there are three options. The first one is demographic, the second one is of interest, and the third one is of behavior. In order to that your ad reaches to the right audience, you can do demographic based targeting. Let me click on demographics. Here are few filters available. The first one is of education. You can target people on the basis of their education level. The second one is of financial. You can target people on the basis of their financial situation. And the third one is of life events. You can target people on the basis of their life events. Fourth one is of parents. You can target people on the basis of their parenting. And the next one is of relationship, and the another one is of work. So these are demographic based targeting filters. If you want to use demographic based targeting, then only you need to put filters related to demographic based targeting. Else it is not mandatory to select demographic based targeting. You can also do interest based targeting, you can also do behavior based targeting, whatever you want. So first of all, let's explore the education level. Whenever we click on education, again there are some filters available here. The first one is of education level. You can target people on the basis of their education, whether they are in school or high school, university, college, they are doing graduation, post graduation. Apart from it, you can also target people on the basis of their fields of study, like the people who are doing Bachelor of Commerce or Bachelor of Technology, Masters in Business Administration. You can target those people. You can target people on the basis of their university names as well. Apart from it, coming to the financial and in the income, there is household income filters available, like top 10% or top 10 to 25%, top 25 to 50%. So you can target people on the basis of their household income as well. Coming to the life events, you can target people on the basis of their anniversary within 30 days. If you're running a cake shop or gift shop or like jewelry shop, you can target people on the basis of their if people who are living away from family, if you're running a tiffin service center, you can target these kind of people. You can target people on the basis of their month of birth. If you're running a cake shop or like restaurant, you can target these people. Scrolling down, friends of, if you're running a cake shop, then you can target people who are friends of a man with a birthday in 0 to 7 days, 7 to 30 days. Like you can target people who are living in long distance relationship, have got a new job or new relationship. If you are running a wedding photography business, then you can target people who are newly engaged. Or if you're running a catering business or marriage lawn business, then also you can target them. And similarly, if you're running a travel agency and want to sell honeymoon packages, you can target people who are newlyweds. If you're running a diaper manufacturing company, then you can target people who are parents and up to 12 months. If you're running a day boarding, then you can target people who are parents of teens, right? Similarly, scrolling down to relationship, if you're running a matrimonial agency, then you can target people who are single or whatever their relationship status is. You can similarly target people on the basis of their work, in which kind of industry they are working, right? Or in which companies they are working. So here are many working industries, like people who are working in cleaning and maintenance services and all. You can target people in such way, right? It is the demographic based targeting, and it is not mandatory to select any of the filter. If you don't feel to target people on the basis of their demographics, you can also target people on the basis of their interest as well. So if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit our website, explore the course, and you can directly purchase the course from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.